To liquid stake your HUAHUA with pStake, start by going to app.pstake.finance/cosmos and connect the Cosmos wallet of your choice, where you have your HUAHUA tokens. Agree to the terms and privacy policy to proceed. Now under the Choose Asset tab, search for HUAHUA and select it. Fill in the amount of HUAHUA you wish to liquid stake and proceed by clicking the Liquid Stake button below. If you didn't have your HUAHUA on the persistence chain yet, you will need to approve two separate transactions. The first one transfers HUAHUA from stkHUAHUA to the Persistence Core 1 chain via IBC. The second transaction liquid stakes the transferred HUAHUA on pStake. Once both transactions are completed, you can go over to the dashboard where you can find your new stkHUAHUA balance. To unstake your stkHUAHUA, go back to the Staking tab and select Unstake. You'll see there are two options for you to choose from. Flash Unstake will allow you to instantly redeem your stkHUAHUA for a small fee. Regular Unstake will also redeem your stkHUAHUA, but this will take about 21 days to unstake your assets before you can claim your HUAHUA. To Flash Unstake, enter the amount of stkHUAHUA you want to unstake and simply click on Flash Unstake. Approve the transaction in your wallet. And that's it! You immediately have HUAHUA available in your wallet without having to wait out the unbonding period. To regular unstake, follow the same process by entering the amount of stkHUAHUA you wish to unstake, and confirm by clicking on the Unstake button below. Approve the transaction in your wallet. And there you go. The unbonding of your HUAHUA tokens has now started and can be tracked in your dashboard. When going to the Unbonding tab, you will see the exact amount of HUAHUA that is unbonding and how much days there are left before you can claim them. Now to put your stkHUAHUA to work, you can head over to the DeFi tab and look for the stkHUAHUA HUAHUA pool on Dexter. Click on Add Liquidity to go straight to the app. Once there, connect your Cosmos wallet and agree to the terms and conditions in order to proceed. You can find the pool APR on the bottom left of the page and see in detail where the rewards are coming from. Now scroll to the top of the page and click on Add Liquidity. Enter the amount of HUAHUA and stkHUAHUA you want to LP into the pool and click on the Add Liquidity button. Approve the transaction in your wallet and wait for it to be confirmed. In order to start earning additional rewards, you need to bond your LP shares. So click on the Bond Shares button and enter the amount of shares you would like to bond. Note that there is a 7 days unbonding period on these LP tokens. Approve the transaction in your wallet once more. Wait for it to confirm. And done! Your stkHUAHUA tokens will now start generating additional yield on Dexter.